In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where Instagram limits you to only 3 hashtags per post. First, open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the 3-line menu in the top right corner to open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Help. Next, select Report a Problem. This lets you send feedback directly to Instagram. When the report box appears, clearly explain the issue. Write something like, "I'm experiencing a problem where Instagram only allows me to use 3 hashtags per post, even though I should be able to add more." Be polite and include any helpful details, then tap Send. Instagram will review your report, and if this is a bug, it may be fixed in a future update. In the meantime, also try updating the Instagram app or reinstalling it, as the issue can sometimes be temporary. And that's it. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.